Being a good dad is tough. Being a present one is even tougher. My wife and I both work full time, and we're raising two little girls, 1 and 3. Life is loud, sleep is short, time is scarce. Training isn't a hobby for me. It's how I stay steady. It's how I quiet my mind. It's how I stay sane. Eventually, the only time left for me to train was when the house is dark and quiet. I hated driving to the gym at those hours. So I stopped. And I built one instead. With help from friends and family, we stripped my garage down to the studs. No shortcuts, no half measures. And I needed equipment that would earn its place. Efficient use of space, solidly built, no compromises. The EvolPow P3A tank became the backbone of what I'm now calling One Man's Forge. This is the unboxing and build of it. The full review, and as well as the installation of lever arms, will be coming next. Thanks for watching. We're going to go through, try to follow these instructions, and work our way through it. I will say this about these instructions so far. The writing, I don't know if you can tell, is very, very, very faint. The print job on the instructions is very faint, so it's kind of hard to read even in the bright lighting that I'm using. We'll see. Maybe it's just my old man eyes aren't doing it very well, but it definitely is a little difficult to read. Alright, so phone died, I guess, rookie mistake. But we just finished the very first page of the manual. There's quite a bit that is involved in the very first page. And it gets us our sort of base structure done. So one thing I found while installing was this screw here actually doesn't reach to fit this unless you realize you need to take this cover off first, and then you can adjust this a lot more. So not exactly intuitive. There's nothing in the instructions that say about loosening this. So just something that's a little bonus tip should you run into issues there. Just tiny little Allen wrench, loosen that up, the cover comes right off. So we made it to the last page doing pulleys. Yes, we're 3.5 hours in. It has taken entirely longer than I expected, but here we are. Hi! That's Sophia. This is Dada's Jim. So how about it? Yeah, why not? I'm just gonna pull the camera.
Sophia, you don't.
You are so silly.
Come here, girl.